This is how to turn any sound into a pad. Necessary ingredients: a sound, a long ass reverb. With this recipe you can get several pad flavors depending on the type of the main ingredient. Pleasant, unpleasant, epic, dark, beautiful, disgusting. The one that sounds cool. The one that sounds like ass. Recipe. Step 1. Dude, take a sound and throw it into an audio track. Step 2. Dude, put a long ass reverb on it. Step 3. Dude, lengthen it so it's as long as from here to space. Step 4. Have fun with low pass filter. Step 5. Record the track, render it or freeze and flatten. Step 6. Enjoy your meal. Means of serving. 1. With Reese bass. 2. With vocals. 3. With arps. 4. With everything the you want. Once you're done making such an awesome pad, you can eat it or use in your beats.